Hey guys, Dave here, and we are on location of this entire home transformation. This is a 4,000 square foot transformation for a young family in Bergen County, New Jersey. This young family was in need of more space. They called us to handle the entire project from start to finish. As we look around the project here, upstairs we have 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a laundry. We have an open 18-foot foyer. Downstairs is an open floor plan, kitchen, family area, office, bathroom, 9-foot ceilings on this project. So let's talk about how they got the process started. It all started with the need for more space. First, they needed to find the house, they needed financing, they needed a contractor, and we understand that the process can be complicated, but we simplify that entire process from start to finish. My company, Pangione Developers, offers full financing options, whether you own a home already that you want to transform or you're looking to purchase a home, a fixer-upper, make that home your own. We offer financing options for the purchase of the home as well as the complete transformation, full funding from start to finish. If you're looking to find a fixer-upper, we have a Realtor Service that specializes in finding fixer-uppers throughout the New Jersey area. Now let's talk about the design and build. We provide full architectural plans for your design, your transformation from start to finish. You approve the plans, we finalize them, handle the entire building department process. If there's a variance that's needed, we'll handle that as well. Once it's approved, we start and it's ready to go forward. Now, if you want more information about your home transformation, we have a video channel with over 1,000 home transformation videos filmed on location in New Jersey. In that channel, we also put together a final walkthrough playlist where you can look at the final product on home transformations, Cape Cods, ranches, split levels, colonials. You can see the finished walkthrough and the beginning shots and the after shots of these home transformations that look amazing. So how do you get your home transformation started? It's very simple. You can give us a call at 201-774-3733, or even easier, we have simplified the process where you can simply email us at info@pangionedevelopers.info. Again, info@pangionedevelopers.info. We have a questionnaire form that we will send back to you. You answer 6 or 7 questions, send it back. We'll have pricing for you and your family within 24 hours. Again, to get the process started, simply give us a call at 201-774-3733 or email us at info@pangionedevelopers.info. It's right here, info@pangionedevelopers.info. We'll get you out a questionnaire. You simply answer it, send it back, and we'll have pricing for you and your family within 24 hours. I'm Dave Pangione. Thanks for watching.